slobodno kazati da je danas Bosanski Petrovac maltene centar svijeta, što govori da je ovdje centar mira, tolerancije, suživota i upravo razlog tome da je međunarodna zajednica prepoznala sve aktivnosti koje je dosad i građani i vlasti i civilno društvo i međunarodna zajednica podržavajući sve aktivnosti prepoznala i danas evo ovdje u Bosanskom Petrovcu obilježila Međunarodni dan mira i tolerancije.
Bosanski Petrovac is one of the very few communities across Bosnia and Herzegovina to initiate such a memorial and to commemorate all, regardless of ethnic or religious belonging. And what is more, this event comes as the culmination of an entire month of celebrating peace and tolerance. These activities include activities and messages highlighting love, coexistence, and cooperation, serving to remind us of the richness of multi-ethnic and multi-religious communities.
I'd really like to acknowledge Mayor Yusuf and also all of the colleagues in his administration, but also the people in this community who have come together to show respect for their past, but also to look to their future and look to the prosperity and the vibrancy in terms of what that future can be. Bosanski Petrovac shows us that it doesn't matter what your ethnic background is, what your perspective is, what your religious affiliation is. You can come together as a community and work as one. This gives hope. This gives hope not only for this community, it gives hope for the entire country of Bosnia and Herzegovina.
I hope many more around the country will follow in your footsteps and be inspired by what you have achieved. You're an important inspiration and we will continue to work with you to make sure that more and more places like Bosanski Petrovac is growing around the country.
Mi jesmo mali grad, ali imamo veliko srce. I ovo danas je pokazalo zaista da mi možemo kad hoćemo sve.